So as you can see, I've been working a little bit in the garage. The Lexus is gonna be covered fully. And I don't know if you see that, right? The blue painter's tape. We're making good use of this snow day. And we're gonna get this garage all turned around. But I need some help.
JDM.
Bottom line, are you in or are you out?
All right, so both cars are now covered and we are ready to go.
I'm sorry, Jet. Actually, you're already in.
Then why would you ask me?
I'm helping.
She's helping. Let's do it. So it's day 2, and I only have a little bit left to go, this corner and then all the edges, and then we can do the lights. It's a bit earlier in the day, so it's super cold, so I'm bundled, but stick with me. Trust the process. All right, so we have all the painting completed. Next, we have to put up the better lights right there and right there. But it looks good. Big improvement. Kind of surprised, honestly. Now that we have the lights all set up, we're going to pull this car out to put the light up there. As far as the Scion goes, I'm gonna try and put the lights up with it there. Don't know how that's gonna go, but wish me luck.
Hi. So you had to deconstruct everything?
What am I gonna do? I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
I mean, yes and no. If I had you out here, it would like sag back there and you'd have to hold it. But the only way to get it up is really to section it out.
So we shouldn't have put it all together.
I mean, they don't really tell you that. So.
Yeah. So we do need to get 2 of the cover-ups for the...
For that.
Yeah.
But the screws they give you are crap. They're not long enough.
Love that.
But I have
Well, yeah.
my own. And
I know. I got those. I remember them.
they're pretty solid, so.
Yeah.
I hit a few studs, so we're good there.
Cool.
And then I'll just reassemble it on the screen.
Okay.
So ignore the sketchy wires up there. I'm gonna fix that. I just don't have enough of these little safety guys to cover up everything. But hex lights did not give a long enough extension to make this work. But I'm trying to do this as safe as possible. because it's very difficult. I can't have my girlfriend climb up on a ladder with me to get this to work.
Damn, that was so real.
But we have this side. Next is that side. And I have, what do you call these guys? The fuse box, I have that turned off. So when I turn this on, it's gonna be, let there be light, hopefully, unless that's wired wrong. Hopefully not. Yeah, so let's do it. What could go wrong, right? Whew. Oh my God, dude. Hang on, let me clean y'all off. This is actually insane. I thought people were fully hyping these up, but this one light is stronger than 2 of those. And those are supposed to be flood spotlights. I can see everything, dude. It's insane. I do think I wanna get another, let's say 3. So it'll be another hex and then 2 there, and then match it on that side. And then I'm thinking maybe just 1 more there. Or maybe I'll make it even with the other side, but look at the light in here, dude. I can see everything. This is insane. I can finally work on this and not be in complete darkness. And it's just 1. Look at how big the garage is. I could add to that. Lets you add more to it if you need. This is crazy. This is beautiful. Great start. Look at this light. This is crazy. I'm so stoked. But we'll say this is part 1 of the garage renovation.
We're blazing tonight. What's up?
I think y'all get the idea. We got the ceiling done. We got 1 light in. I'm gonna do the other light tonight. I'm not gonna waste y'all's time with that. And then part 2 will be cleaning up all the random stuff everywhere, getting that organized, and then we'll probably do these walls. Maybe white, maybe a different color, I don't know. You tell me. But as always, my name's Jay. Thanks for watching. Stay cruising.